Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you the Canva affiliate program tutorial and how to make money from Canva. As we all know, Canva is a popular graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content such as social media graphics, presentations, posters, and more. The Canva affiliate program allows individuals or businesses to earn a commission by promoting Canva to their audience or customers. Canva's affiliate program offers a commission of 30% for each new Canva Pro subscription referral, and the commission is recurring for as long as the referral remains a paying customer. So Canva actually provides affiliates with a unique referral link that they can use to promote Canva on their website, blog, social media channels, or email marketing campaigns. So if you want to participate in the Canva affiliate program, you need to sign up through the Canva website and be approved by their team. So you can check it out here on About Canva's Affiliate Marketing Program. Then you can also find the updates and some FAQs about joining this affiliate marketing program. So once approved, you can access a range of promotional materials such as banners, buttons, and text links to help you promote Canva to your audience. You can also check this website canva.com/contributors, and here as you can see, you can earn money here by selling your media online. So how did it works? So if you scroll down here on this page, the first step here is to sign up. So become a contributor with a single click, hobbyist or pro, it doesn't matter, we'd love to have you. So number 2 here is upload your work, upload your items either individually or as a collection. Then the third step here is start earning. Earn every time our users use your item when they design in Canva. So you can just sign up here and you can join on these Canva contributors. And as you can see, what can I sell in Canva? You can sell photos, graphics, stickers, or some videos. So you have another option here to earn money as a Canva contributor. So you can check this out and you can go here on this website and you can learn about this Canva contributor. Then if you want to sign up in the affiliate program, you need to go to this website impact.com/get-started. Then here, if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up your account, and once you've done, you can sign in your email, or you can actually use your Apple ID here, or your Facebook account, your Twitter account, your LinkedIn account, or your Google account. So once you've done signing in your account here on impact.com, then you just need to let the Canva verify your account. And once you approve your account here, then you will go to the dashboard where you can get the URL link that you can share to your social media accounts. And once they subscribe to Canva Pro, then you can earn a commission or you can earn money from this affiliate program. So that's how you can simply earn money from Canva affiliate program. But if you want more ways to earn or make money with this affiliate program, you can also drive traffic by this way here. As you can see on TikTok, if we search for Canva, then you'll find some accounts usually have some videos. Some are Canva tutorial videos or about the Canva. So once they created this video here, they paste the link on the description. Then once a viewer click that link and subscribe to Canva Pro, they will earn money from Canva. So you can just try this to promote the Canva by creating a video, as you can see here. Then I also recommend you to go to this public group, which is the Canva for Everyone, where you can find some tutorials or you can read some techniques on how you can get more traffic by creating content to promote the Canva. And same here on this youtube.com website. As you can see, if we search for Canva, you'll find a bunch of videos promoting the Canva and some Canva tutorials here, as you can see on your screen, how to use Canva and some techniques or tutorial. Then they paste the link on the description, and once the viewer click on that link, they will eventually go to the Canva And if they subscribe to Canva Pro, they will earn a rewards or commission from Canva. So that's how you basically make money in Canva by this Canva affiliate program. So I hope this video helped you to get started with this Canva affiliate marketing program. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.